So it's been quite some days. There's been chaos in our life.
Yeah, complete chaos.
Complete chaos.
Today the weather is just about improved and we've got some internet connection. We got in touch with some friends and asked them for some help, trying to figure out what to do next. A lot of issues in the sense weather was bad. We've moved out of Thailand, checked out of Thailand, and our next destination visa is still not come, and we're like on the way. We're already sailing that way.
Oh, I feel so alive as I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day, 'cause I found my way.
Thank God we're here. I can't imagine what would have happened to us if we were elsewhere. And the road's pretty steady, holding well. The clouds look beautiful. The winds are gusting. It's very cold. Checked outside? It's 30 now. You checked the anchor outside?
Yeah,
All okay?
it's okay.
Oh, it's chilly also. What are you doing? Be careful! Okay. Oh, that's a little. What's the wind speed?
42.
What is it?
Oh, gusting 42 knots. This is the highest we've seen so far. It was difficult.
But I think our anchor's holding well.
Anchor's holding well. The snubber is okay.
And
I don't have a standby snubber. I should have a standby snubber.
okay.
If this one gives way, then we will have to start engine and go ahead till the time weather doesn't, calm down.
Hopefully the wind generator is doing some job.
Yeah, what's the batteries like?
12.8.
Oh, that's good.
So this one works when the winds are good, nice and strong.
But we're not rolling, pitching too much, I think. Right?
Yeah, we're not pitching too much. That's good. If we were pitching, then the snubber would chaff more. But it looks okay now. It will calm down in some time.
Let's go out and see.
Yeah. Hold on. Don't fall.
So let's go down.
Yeah, we can just keep an eye on our anchor watch, the app, and see if everything is okay. And every once in a while, come and check on the anchor.
Okay, done.
Okay. It's cold here.
So this is an anchor alarm app, and as you can see, the anchor is positioned here, and Reeva has been predominantly in this area itself. So if she moves out of this area and the circumference that we've put, which are 59 meters, we'll get an alarm on our phones. It saved us a lot of times. The weather's been gusting like this for the last 3 hours nearly, and Gaurav's just gone there ahead to make sure the anchor is okay, and he's also putting another snubber on the anchor chain to the already existing one so that we hold on okay. back. The boat seems to be holding okay also.
starboard wheel देना जरा.
Okay.
Okay, starboard देना.
Saw you paint a picture of a face that wasn't even close to mine. I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you've stayed the same. But if you did, I'd still love you anyway. I'd give you the world like I promised I would.
So while at an anchorage, there are some things that we follow as a safety measure. One is we keep the ladder in the water. In case somebody by chance falls, it's not of rolling, pitching, just to be on the safer side. Also, second thing is we have our life buoy out ready to use whenever. And the third thing that we do is we keep our dinghy ready with the OBM and the fuel tank inside, so that in case there's an emergency and we need to start the dinghy, we have it all ready. So let's see, hopefully it should clear up. No sun for the last 5-6 days. Just let's see inside. As of now the wind speed is 15 knots. We're at 26.9 feet. It's inside. Gogo has been sleeping a little bit. He was up all night checking out the weather and the anchor alarm. Oops, that was close. Their batteries are at 13. We got our fridge repaired last week when we were in Port Tacola, so that's been helpful. So another thing that we did when we were at Port Tacola is we got a foot pump installed, which gives us filtered seawater. So what we do is we wash all our utensils with the filtered seawater and then just rinse it with the fresh water. What we were doing earlier before this pump was set was we were rinsing and washing our utensils on the platform behind the wheel. And it was quite painful, but it saved a lot of water, so we just decided to do this. And it's working well right now. Poor Kea had to do a lot of it.
Hello there! Are you planning to join the Reeva crew? Well, that's amazing! We love having you on board. Hopefully, if you're not annoying, that is. Anyways, now, since we've already had a few families on board, and by few I mean only one, we already have a set of rules, and this is speaking from experience. So first, what are these rules and why do we have them?
I'm recording this video only so we can hear the wind. It's scary like sometimes. And you're sitting inside the boat and the boat's moving and like woo, woo. This just happened. I don't know what went wrong. Oh god. Oh. I'm not going out too much. Woo. This is the wind. I don't know if you can see how much the boat is tilting. I'll just hide inside. check if possible. Okay, not too bad, it's only 20 knots. But it's coming from that direction and
yeah, so we've hit another roadblock. This time it's more about paperwork and stuff like that. So we've left Thailand and we are on our way to the next destination. Incidentally, we don't know what our next destination is. We had applied for a visa which has not yet come through, and yeah, so we're kind of stuck. We're trying to slow down, but we can't because the winds are too strong, and suitable anchorages are very few where you can hide. And we had not catered for a long duration at sea. We had thought that we'd be out at sea for 7 to 10 days at the most. So we had stocked up for around 15 days, 15 to 20 days, and it's already been 11 days now, and there's no way ahead. So yeah, it's been very interesting 10 odd days. We've not been able to do much footage because we've been struggling to figure out what to say in the footage because we don't know what lies ahead. So let's see how it goes. Yeah.